All right, I've been slacking on this. We need to finish this garage today. I haven't really had a lot of time, but we got some stuff to finish these walls. I hope it's enough. I got a 5-gallon, and this is, a little 2-car garage. So we'll go ahead and tackle that and see what we can do. Go ahead and get this car out the way. Garage is a mess right now. A mess, but we're making some progress. And it's gonna look so nice. I'm actually pretty excited. We gotta do the ceilings too, but cool. All right, we're good. That took a long time, but we got the ceiling done, all 4 walls. It's very messy over here. I still have to get like some storage options, but switched that light out for a Bluetooth light because I had an extra one, but it looks pretty good. It's bright in here, nice and bright, or brighter, but I guess next, get some shop lights. It's either the hexagon lights or just like the regular strip lights. Make it brighter in here. And floor options, I don't know. I was thinking of just getting those like tiles that you just kind of put together, I guess. I don't know. I know I don't want to do epoxy because that's just a little extra. First step done, and it looks pretty good. I can't believe I ran out of paint though, but yeah, pretty good. Happy with it. Guys, we are back at it. Let's lift this up. I actually have a low oil light. It's time for an oil change, but I've had this car just sitting here for like a good week. So it's connected to the I forget what the name of that thing is. Naco, the Naco. Yeah, it's connected to the Naco. Just been charging, but I don't have any of the tools that I need to do the oil change. So I need jack stands, I need filter, and I have some oil. Yeah, that's like a little over half full, but I think I'm gonna just top it off for now because I need to go to the skate park. We're just gonna take it easy. It's gonna be a nice, peaceful drive, but I do need to top it off. So I think I'm gonna just do that and then we'll be on our way. Also, we got a couch for the garage. Technically, it's a futon. I don't think anybody's gonna be sleeping in here, but you never know. I don't know. I might fall asleep in here a little bit just to raise the levels, and we'll be good until later. I could probably do an oil change tonight, to be honest, but the wall's a little dark, but it'll be all right. I'm just going to the skate park. It's like, I don't know, maybe 15 minutes away. So we should be good until tonight or tomorrow, whenever that will be. I always have to reprogram this key. There we go. Oh, your boy is ready. There's like straight water bottles in there. I don't know if any of y'all skate or not, but I got the shots on. It's like my third session. It's my third session with these. And the shoestrings are just done. But in the trunk, we got some Nijas, Nija 3s, Nija 2s. I forget what kind of Vans these are, but these are super comfortable. I skate these sometimes, but not often. These Vans are really good. I forget what these are called too. Not a clue. But these are nice. They're kind of done though. I used to have like 3 boards in here, but had to downsize a little bit.